HQ is so nice. It has pockets. The best. Good morning, everyone. It is the day that we are going bridesmaid dress shopping with Birdy Gray, and I'm super excited to take you guys along. So me and my mom are here, and I'm about to go pick up some donuts for everybody, and then we're gonna go and meet up with everyone and take them all in the same car in this big SUV, and we're gonna drive out to LA and go to the Birdy Gray HQ. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's just go ahead and get into the day. This is Alyssa. Say hi.
Hi.
This is McKenna. And Lorena, or Nina. And Malia.
Hi.
And Chris. And Samantha.
Hi.
Headquarters. Oh, so cute. Oh my god. The whole process. Oh my god, cute. Dusty blue, and you can do dusty blue in like a different fabric. I love our halter dress. I think it's one of my favorites. And you can just see the full palette like that. Ash. I might have pulled it in the dusty blue. It might be over there.
All right, Malia, what do you got here?
I got this pretty one.
So cute.
And then this
Also
pretty
so
one. Two. They're so pretty. I think she said.
So everything here is so cute. They have all the colors, and I love how they're like in order of like color rainbow order right here. It's so pretty, and the whole HQ is so nice. So you just look, they have all their desks, they have all these photos on the wall. They're gorgeous, and like all the decorations, the whole aesthetic of this place is so pretty.
So like if you want to look at the back, you can see like the open crossback.
Dress.
Yeah. So this is our Grace convertible.
So this dress I really like. My favorite part is that it has pockets.
The best.
Cute.
Show us, where's the pockets?
Great for chapstick.
Alright, so I love Birdy Gray because they have so many different types of materials, which I think is cool because they all look super different, but they're all the same color, which is cool, but they look different. So they have like so many different styles. There's an incredible amount to choose from. You don't have to just be stuck with one type and feel like, you know, there's not a lot of options, but there's so many options to choose from. They also have a lot of cute accessories, like all these pajamas that they have that, you know, have different names on the back and stuff like that. These are really cute. And then they have, you know, swimsuits for bachelorettes, slippers, you know, different types of jewelry. Lots of options on their website on all their pages.
Over your glasses.
Cute.
So cute. They match your dress.
Alrighty, so I just got back home after such a fun day at Birdy Gray's HQ. Raquel, our representative, was so sweet. She said she'd been working there for about 2 years and her experience was really helpful. She just showed us around the whole place and helped me pick out some of the colors. I originally went into it really wanting like purple and blue and ended up coming out with green and blue, and I love it. I feel like it's the most stunning palette. It totally, you know, my dreams of exactly what I was looking for came to life, and it's so pretty, and all the girls really liked what they ended up with, which was nice, and it was a really good time. So I definitely recommend Birdy Gray to all of you guys. I want to say thank you to them again for just hosting us today. It was so much fun, and all the little gifts we got and just the way that our experience was, it was amazing. And just there is so much on their website to look at. It's so cool how many different things that they're always dropping too. Like literally since I accepted the offer to work with Birdy Gray, and now as I've just, you know, a bride who's looking at bridesmaid dresses, I just keep seeing new drops all the time. So it's cool to see just how much they've come out with, and just all their beautiful colors, and they're still always coming out with new stuff, which is awesome. And so they have so many goodies. I think we're gonna end up getting groomsmen ties on their website as well to match the same color, and I'm honestly just super pleased with everything from their site and just all the options, the fabrics, the patterns, the sizes. They just have so much to choose from. It made such an easy process. So if you are a bride, you know, looking for bridesmaid dresses, that is just the way to go. It was so easy, and you guys, I would never promote something that I personally didn't, you know, believe in and feel like was a good choice. Like I'm not gonna, you know, work with somebody that has these like $500 bridesmaid dresses. Like I was so shocked to see that every dress was under $99. I was in a wedding last year and ended up paying $200 something for a dress I didn't even get to see, you know, and it was just such a good experience to get to work with Birdy Gray, and I definitely recommend it. So thank you guys for watching this, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.